Welcome back to the Custom Take. So this is the SQL interview question answer part 4. So let's jump into the questions. What is correlated subquery in SQL? So if subquery depend on the outer query, okay, for its value, then that subquery is called as a correlated subquery. So in a SQL database query, a correlated subquery, also known as a synchronized subquery, is a subquery query nested inside another query that use value from outer query. Because the subquery may be evaluated once for each row processed by the outer query, it can be slow. So a correlated subquery is a subquery that contain a reference to a table that also appear in the outer query. For example, select star from T1 where column 1 equal to Annie. Select column 1 from T2 where T2. Okay, so basically it refer the some of the columns or values, we can say that, from the outer query as well. So what is the difference between correlated subquery and regular subquery? So subquery can be categorized into two types: a non-correlated some simple subquery obtained in a result independently of its containing outer statement. A correlated subquery require value from its outer query in order to execute. So why correlated subquery is used? As for what it is useful for, it is just a way of expressing particular logical condition. A correlated subquery is used some action must be taken on each row in your query that depend on one or more value from that row. So what is the best example of correlate? So here it's having a some of the example here, but I can show you as a practically in SQL Management Studio how the correlate subquery work. So this is the one example I have written here. So let's understand first query, what how it's written, and what will be it going to be ex- extract the data from the database. So first is a select name, list price, product category ID from the product table. Okay, so where list price, so we are providing the condition where list price greater than, it's the outer query, and in the inner query we have written select average list price. So we are extracting the average of the list price from the product table, that is P2. Okay, where P2 dot product category ID equal to P. You can see here I am referring the outer query table p dot product subcategory id. So first of all this query will execute, but it will be the inner query, it's depending on the outer query as well, outer query tables columns, right? So first it will get calculated and it give the data, then it will get executed. So you see, so let's execute this query and see what is the data. See, this is the output. So it's extracting the data on the basis of uh, the inner query, which is referring to the outer queries column. Okay, comparing the column. So for each product the subquery calculate the average list price in the same subcategory, then it compare to the product price to that average, right? So that is average price. The subquery refer to the outer query column, that is p dot product id. This is, and making it correlate. So it means it's a correlate because it's referring to the column which is from the outer query table, runs once per row in the outer query. So this is the subquery, that is correlate subquery. Hope you guys understood, and I have given the example or explanation about this subquery, regular subquery as well in my previous video, previous part, so go and watch. So let's please subscribe, share, and if you have any doubt or if you are going having any feedback for me, then please provide me in a comments. Thank you so much.